V fly. Have you ever seen birds fly in a V formation in the sky? This is a special formation used by birds that need to fly long distances, which are often migratory birds like geese, swans, and ducks. Let's find out why. This difficult shape is maintained by flocks of birds to save energy. The birds in the front of the V help create wind and air patterns that the birds in the back can use to fly more efficiently. While flying in a V, the birds take turns to be in different positions in the V. This way, they get less tired and can cover long distances. Please like, share and subscribe for more of such interesting videos.